Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of uninterruptible power supplies. On the left, we have the APC UPS battery replacement RBC17, and on the right, the APC UPS 1500 VA. One is essential for replacing old batteries, and the other is a full power backup system. Let's find out which one is the best for your needs. Let's kick things off with the price. The RBC17 is quite affordable at $56, making it accessible for many buyers. In contrast, the 1500 VA is priced at $184. Many reviewers appreciate the RBC17 for its cost-effectiveness, with one noting that it's a perfect replacement for their APC box and easy to install. Meanwhile, others highlight that the 1500 VA, despite its higher price, is worth the investment for its comprehensive protection, especially during unexpected power outages. Next, let's discuss functionality. The RBC17 is a maintenance-free, sealed lead-acid battery that provides a quick and easy swap-out process, allowing you to keep your devices running without interruption. Reviewers have praised its reliability, with one mentioning that it stopped the annoying beeping from their old device. The 1500 VA, on the other hand, is a robust power backup with 10 outlets and automatic voltage regulation, ensuring your devices remain safe from voltage fluctuations. One user even shared how it kept their gaming setup running smoothly during outages, making it an essential component for gamers. When it comes to connectivity, the RBC17 is straightforward, allowing for a simple installation process. Reviewers have appreciated its ease of use, with one stating that it was a quick installation. The 1500 VA offers advanced connectivity with a data port for PowerChute UPS management, which provides additional features for tech-savvy users. One reviewer mentioned the added benefit of being able to connect it to their PC for better power management during gaming sessions, highlighting its versatility. Lastly, let's talk certifications. The RBC17 meets various standards like UL and RoHS, ensuring quality and safety. Reviewers feel secure using it, although some are curious about its long-term durability. The 1500 VA is ENERGY STAR certified, making it an eco-friendly choice that many users appreciate. One reviewer noted that this certification is a significant factor in their decision to purchase, as they aim to reduce their environmental impact while protecting their devices. Overall, the RBC17 is praised for its affordability and reliability, making it a great choice for those needing a simple battery replacement. In contrast, the 1500 VA is favored for its comprehensive features and robust power protection, ideal for users who require a more extensive backup solution. So which product do you prefer? If you're looking for a budget-friendly battery replacement, the RBC17 is a solid choice. But if you want a full-fledged power backup system, the 1500 VA is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Also, check out the product links in the description.